do you have?
That's the correct word.
Okay. And hooray! I did the right answer.
Yeah. What do you have here?
I think it is away.
That's the correct
Let's see.
word. Away.
Yay!
Good job.
Well done, Ridita.
Thank you.
Away.
What do you have? Ring, hand, and big.
Word. Big.
We have big.
Ouch.
Hmm.
I'll pop it back. Wow, popping balloons. Whoa, it's floating into the air.
It's levitating. What do you have?
Let's see.
That's the correct word. Blue.
I knew it.
Pop all the bubbles. Wow. You have the color blue. Now we have
Always off or can.
can.
Yay, I done the correct answer. Yay.
Now we have
That's the correct word. Come.
come.
Good job. Come.
Like, come here.
Yeah.
The correct word.
Down, clean, and buy, which is down.
Yay.
Down.
Down.
We are going down.
We are going down stairs.
Collect a
I
sticker.
want a rainbow. A rainbow, nice and colorful.
Yeah. We have a starfish there. We have a popsicle there, which is yummy. Apple, very healthy. And then we have a rainbow that's so colorful.
Yeah. What do we have here now?
Fine.
We have 5.
Done.
I am trying to find you.
Fine.
Now we have
Let's see.
The correct word. 4.
4.
4.
K, funny or is?
And it's funny.
It pops by itself.
Does it?
Yeah. What word will it be now? 2.
The number 2.